Hello and welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your go-to channel where smart shopping meets trusted reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated but absolutely essential tools in every American kitchen, heavy-duty kitchen shears. If you've ever struggled cutting through chicken bones, trimming meat, or even snipping herbs with a dull knife, then you know why a reliable pair of kitchen scissors is a total game changer. The right shears save you time, reduce hand strain, and make food prep safer and way more efficient. So in this video, we're breaking down the top 5 heavy-duty kitchen shears that you can buy right now. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, hosting a backyard barbecue, or just need a versatile tool for everyday cooking, these shears are built to make life easier. And remember, I've included the latest Amazon deals for each product in the description and pinned comment below. If you see one that fits your kitchen, scroll down and grab it while the deals last. Number 5. Gidley Heavy-Duty Kitchen Shears with bonus seafood scissors. Starting off our list is the Gidley Kitchen Shears, and let me tell you, these aren't your average dollar store scissors. These are professional grade, made with premium stainless steel that easily powers through chicken bones, thick veggies, or even packaging. The big win? Lifetime replacement warranty. Yep, if anything happens, Gidley has your back forever. That means you're making a one-time investment. And as a bonus, you get a second pair of seafood scissors, perfect for cracking crab legs, cutting lobster shells, or even deveining shrimp, a must-have for seafood lovers. The shears feature ergonomic, slip-resistant handles that feel comfortable even during long prep sessions. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. If durability, versatility, and long-term reliability matter to you, Gidley is a solid pick. Number 4. Andong Professional Heavy-Duty Kitchen Scissors. Coming in at number 4, we have the Andong Professional Scissors, a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty kitchen tasks. What makes these stand out is the spring-loaded design. Unlike regular shears, these actually bounce back open after every cut, which means less hand fatigue and smoother, quicker cutting. If you prep large meals or do a lot of batch cooking, this feature is a total lifesaver. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades handle everything: poultry, fish, herbs, and even thick vegetables like butternut squash. The non-slip grip keeps your hands steady even if you're working with greasy or wet ingredients. And like Gidley, they're dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup. These are a great choice for home cooks who want a tool that feels almost semi-professional, especially if you cook meat often. Number 3. Premium Kitchen Shears 2-Pack. At number 3, we've got the Premium 2-Pack Kitchen Shears, a budget-friendly option that gives you not one, but 2 pairs of heavy-duty scissors. Made with high-quality stainless steel, these shears are sharp enough to slice through meat, poultry bones, and even hard vegetables. The handles are designed for maximum leverage, which makes cutting larger or tougher ingredients much easier on your hands. The best part? You can separate your scissors by task. Keep one pair just for meats and the other for veggies, herbs, or general kitchen use. This not only improves hygiene, but also extends the lifespan of each pair. They're dishwasher safe, long-lasting, and super practical for busy households. If you're looking for value without sacrificing quality, this 2-pack delivers big. Number 2. Mitsumoto Sakari Japanese Kitchen Shears. Sliding into second place, we have the Mitsumoto Sakari Japanese Kitchen Shears, a premium option that blends Japanese craftsmanship with modern functionality. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek black titanium plating. Not only does it look high-end, but it also protects the blades from rust, stains, and corrosion. The micro-serrated edge is where these shears shine. It grips slippery foods like fish skin, chicken fat, or fresh herbs, making every cut precise and controlled. The ergonomic handles are perfectly balanced, giving you both comfort and stability, whether you're cutting through poultry bones or finely chopping delicate herbs. These are professional-grade shears, ideal for anyone who loves cooking with precision and style. If you want kitchen shears that don't just work but also look impressive in your kitchen, this Japanese pair is worth the investment. Number 1. CGBE Multi-Purpose Heavy-Duty Kitchen Shears. And finally, at number 1, we've got the CGBE Kitchen Shears, the all-around champ of this list. These scissors do it all: cutting chicken, trimming meat, cracking crab shells, chopping herbs, or even slicing through tough packaging. The big win? Ultra-sharp stainless steel blades are built for both strength and precision, so whether you're making a family dinner or prepping ingredients for the grill, these won't let you down. The non-slip ergonomic handles give you maximum control, even when things get messy in the kitchen. They're also dishwasher safe and designed to stay sharp even after repeated heavy use. If you want a one-and-done solution that combines durability, versatility, and affordability, the CGBE is the winner. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 heavy-duty kitchen shears every home cook in America should own. Whether you're after cutting power, long-term durability, or just a budget-friendly set, there's a perfect option here for your kitchen. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven for more kitchen gadget reviews, and drop a comment below. Which pair of shears do you trust in your kitchen? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.